tap on home, you might have to tap on home again to go to the second page. In here, select settings and then select connected devices. You could connect two phones simultaneously. So for the first phone, select telephone 1 and then tap on new connection. At the same time, open your iPhone, pull down right corner and then touch and hold on the Bluetooth icon. One more time, touch and hold on Bluetooth icon and then select Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Bluetooth is not connected to any other devices. And now you have to turn off your Bluetooth and then turn back on again. On your car, you might have to tap on the back arrow and then tap on the new connection again so that it will start searching again. And this time it finds my iPhone. So tap on it to select it. On your iPhone, you should get a Bluetooth pairing request with a code. Make sure the code on your car and the phone matches and then tap on pair. And as easy as that, iPhone is now paired to Audi. On your iPhone, you might get a request for allow contacts and favorites sync. So tap on allow if you want your contacts to be available in your car. And then you should see Audi MMI is connected on your iPhone. Important, you still can't play music. This connection is just for making phone calls. Now to connect your phone for playing music, tap on the music icon and then select connect external device. And here you could see the phone that we have just connected is available. So tap on it and now this would establish the connection for playing music. And then whatever is playing on your iPhone would start playing on your car. And now you could control the podcast or the music right from your car.